Look who came into SC Custom Designs. It's Git. We're in the shop of SC Custom Designs. We're actually not doing anything at the moment. But Git, otherwise known as Frederick, decided he needed some love. So Git came into the wood shop. Say hi, Git. Git. Say hi to the YouTube channel of SC Custom Designs. Git. He is in the shop. He is sniffing me. Yes, he is. We'll call this the Git episode. He's like, why'd you turn all that light on? Git. Git, say hello to SC Custom Designs. Aw, he loves me. Do you love this me, or is he too big? Aw, he likes the big me too. But do you like the me? Yeah, he does. Git is awesome. Git. Git. He's going to just make himself at home on the woodshop table. It's not often we get visitors in the shop. He's just going to make himself at home. Give you an idea how big my table is, my friends. So here's the table. 18 feet of table for Git. 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 Frederick was a rescue cat. My daughter Abby went outside, heard this screeching meow, and it was Git. Sometimes I need no reason to make a video for SC Custom Designs. This was a real special one. Thanks for coming to the shop and visiting Git. He's doing a catwalk. Ouch. All right, let's say goodbye. Let's say goodbye, Git. Hey, by the way, this is Larkin's Wood Creations. We made this flyer up, my lovely one. My wife made this flyer for us. And boy, does this bring back some memories. But we're now SC Custom Designs. Been in business for 3 years. We're on our 3rd year. Right, Git? 3rd year. They like to claim everything. Put their scent on everything. Even my finger. I'm going to I turned the fan off, the little heater, and you could hear him purring. He's just in his little glory here. He loves to be in the shop. So, here, you want to come on his chair? Here you go. He's thinking about it. Now he's like, I don't know. Where I am is pretty cool. There's Git. Git. He's way up there. He's like, how can I touch the phone? I gotta touch the phone. Git. He's trying. Whoop, there he goes. All right. You go, where do you want to go now, Git? Git. Git. He loves me. Again, you're in the shop of SC Custom Designs. Sometimes we get Dexter who comes down. Naturally, Dexter and Git can't be in the same place at the same time. Dexter is also a rescue pup that my daughter adopted. And this here cat was adopted by daughter number 2. So Git can hear Dexter. He's like, something doesn't seem right here. But he's safe down here. Aren't you, Git? I think Git may want to go outside. Want to go outside? He's been inside for a while. Here you go. Bye-bye. There goes Git. Into the night life. Git. What, do you want to come back inside? There could be imminent danger in here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, bye-bye. Let's go ahead and lock up. Hey, if anybody can read Hebrew, what does that say? Well, I'll read it for you. Ifo Dexter? Question mark. If any of my Israeli friends are watching this video, this impromptu video made here in the woodshop of SC Custom Designs, where we have a passion for woodworking, my friends. Spontaneous video here, my friends. And that was my head hitting my lamp. So, all right. Hey, thanks for coming into the shop and visiting with Git. All right, I'm going to go back to what I was doing, which was editing stuff. God bless. Take care. Oh yeah. Last thing is progress of the beard. It's coming in good. Coming in nice, my friends. Thanks for coming to the shop. Hey, God bless.